Welcome to Leyland House, a fantastic 17th century detached farmhouse set in these wonderful grounds. The property is set in just over an acre of land. The mature gardens to the rear are extremely well maintained with areas for all the family, patio for entertaining, lawn area for the kids to play and plenty of places for hide and seek. So the bespoke kitchen leads onto this wonderfully light family room, and for me this is the best area of the house. What makes this family home so special is the multiple reception rooms, giving space for all the family. The original part of the property dates from the 17th century and has been extended multiple times. There's lots of space downstairs for everybody to enjoy.